Blurring an image in Canva is a very easy thing to do. First thing obviously is to go ahead and add an image. So I'm just going to look for random photos here. Let's use this one. Alright, so once you have your photo lined up and ready to go, all you have to do is head over to the edit option, which is right here after selecting your image, and you will have all of your different adjustments in here. So scroll down to effects and you will see the blur option. Now once you select it, you can either brush over areas of the image that you want to blur out. So for example, if I want to blur out this list that is on this piece of paper, I'm just going to increase my brush size a little bit and paint over this text. And now as you can see, the text is gone. So I can also adjust the blur intensity for whatever I am blurring. And then I can choose whether I want to add blur or remove the blur. So I can just go ahead, paint on here, and this will completely remove whatever blur we applied. The second option here is to blur the whole image in one go, in which case you just drag the intensity slider until you're happy with the amount of blurring that you have. But you'll notice that this particular area isn't blurred, and that's because that's where we brushed it. So you can just click on remove blur, get rid of everything and reset these changes. Then go back to the whole image and then drag the slider to then blur out the entire image. And that's how easily you can blur images in Canva. If you like this video, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below what more such videos can we make for you. If you'd like to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, and if these videos do not help you out as much, do consider getting a membership. That's it for now. We will see you in the next video.